Hello, dear friends. Welcome to another meditation from Pebble in the Sky. Put yourself into a relaxing, comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. You can decide whether to keep your eyes closed or softly open into a glaze. So let yourself feel the breath, the way it naturally moves the body in a rhythmic way. Let us now gently focus our awareness from the problems and the anxieties of everyday life into the breath, the way our body naturally breathes, spontaneously, the natural circle of the breath. Let us be aware of it. When thoughts arise, don't be too hard with yourself. Let them pass through your mind like clouds in the sky and return to the meditation again and again. That's the way things are. The mind thinks. It's what the mind does. So let us easily return to the observation of the breath. You may also feel the weight of the body under the gentle influence of the gravity, the way the body slowly sinks under the pull of gravity. You may also be aware of the density of the body. Sometimes we can even feel our heart beat or our guts move as we are digesting our food, and any other bodily sensation. Let that all be part of your present moment experience, gently, without forcing your awareness to include all these things. Just simply be aware. Whenever anxiety or stressful thoughts arise, we simply observe them. We allow them to be part of the present moment, and we let them dissipate under the light of awareness, easily, gently. If we feel distracted by unwanted thoughts or feelings or emotions or sounds around us, this is part of the meditation too. Let us accept all of these elements, let them be in our awareness, and let's return to the observation of the breath or of the bodily sensations. It's all part of the present moment. Let's embrace the present moment as it is. Let yourself enjoy the process. Feel good. Or if you're not feeling very good, if there are physical sensations that are uncomfortable or pervasive thoughts in your mind, let those experiences also exist, part of the present moment. Return to the breath, to the bodily sensations. Let the surroundings be felt completely, the temperature. Let the moment be the way it is. Take as much time as you need now, and when you feel ready, you may open your eyes.